Hello and welcome to the Rich Data Services Explorer. In this video we will be going through the Data Explorer, looking closely at the features available to browse and search data and metadata. In this main pane we have a small header here at the top indicating the currently selected data product. This serves as a reminder of what data we are currently working with, along with some additional information about the data product if available. You can also use the Change Data Product button to switch between data products without having to go back to the dedicated catalog page. This header is visible at all times in the application for quick access to the catalog. Now, this initial page that we land on is the data view. And the data view allows users to see the records that are in the database. Now, typically, the size of the data product will be fairly large, so this will be a subset of variables and records so that you don't have too much to go through at one time. And we can see up here at the top right, we are on variables 1 through 25 out of 56. We can page through the variables, or we can adjust the number of variables we're looking at. And in the same way, we have about 1.5 million records here. And so we can adjust the rows per page and page through the records as well. We can also search for variables up here at the top. And this will return a list of variables that have code in their metadata. We can click on any of these headers here of the variables and get the variable metadata details. So any of the metadata that's associated with the variable, along with the codes it uses, if it's a coded variable, will show up here. You can also use this pane to filter out things. So I can come here and search for District of Columbia. Apply that filter, and we'll see our records are reduced to 60,000. We can also view statistics about what is in the data set. So in this case, we have Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, and DC data. We can also use this area to add a variable to a subset, which we will explore further in future videos. In addition to this data view, we have a dictionary view. And that's going to allow us to search through the variables without seeing the data, which will make the searching a little faster. So again, if I wanted to search for code, I can see all the variables in the data product that have code somewhere in their metadata. And we'll notice that we have some properties that aren't filled out. We can come up here and we can reduce or hide those columns that we're not interested in. Now, if we search for something here in the dictionary and we want to view the data for it, we can go to the Show in Data button and click that. And that's going to take us back to the data with that search applied. And that concludes our basic overview of the Data Explorer and Dictionary view. Thanks for watching.